Good morning, this is meteorologist Eric Tallman. Snow and wind in the forecast for this afternoon and this evening, and we're also under a winter weather advisory. We'll talk about that coming up when I return in just a few minutes. The event summary is suggesting moderate to heavy snow squalls to develop late this afternoon and evening, 1 to 3 inches of snow north of M59, south northwest winds to 45 to 50 miles per hour from the south. I'll have more details, and your complete forecast is just around the corner. We'll be right back. And thank you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman back with the information on the winter weather advisory that does include southeast lower Michigan. So this is actually going to be a very interesting setup here. So we're going to talk about it in just a couple of moments here. So we just want to let you know it is for our viewing area. And this is what we have so far. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 11 p.m. this evening. So we just wanted to give you a heads up on that. We're going to talk about the hazardous weather intake and what it's going to bring us. Snow will develop during the afternoon hours and becoming moderate to heavy at times. The potential exists for snowfall rates of 1 inch per hour or greater. That means more. 1 to 3 inches of snowfall accumulation within highest amounts possible between I-69 and M59 corridors. Snowfall amounts are expected to vary widely because of the narrow banding potential. Northwesterly winds of 30 to 35 miles per hour will develop by this evening. So that also includes, I would probably intake that maybe there is the possibility that the grand total of snow that we may see in the metro area may be between 4 to 6 inches of snow. But like I say, with the banding of the snowfall rates, it varies. So we will kind of watch that, but the snow will be coming down heavy at times. And we've got more details prior to this advisory, so please stay with us. I've got another update coming up. Thank you so much for joining me. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman once again back here with another update on our hazardous weather outlook. It's going to be a very interesting one, but I can tell you we've had, first we go from the warm weather to severe thunderstorms, strong thunderstorms, and damaging wind, hail, and now we're dealing with snow again. So this is for all of metropolitan Detroit in our viewing area. So we just want to tell you that the winter weather advisory is in effect this afternoon until 11 p.m. tonight. So that means that the commute is probably going to be very, very tricky, and will have the traffic and all of that stuff at you as well. So there's actually a low pressure system that will track through lower Michigan. Hold on just a second here. I'm trying to glance at this again. I'm really sorry about that. Like I said, there's a low pressure system that will track through lower Michigan late Sunday and Sunday night. This storm will bring the next round of snowfall to the area with 4 to 6 inches of accumulation possible. So it looks like we are going to be doing some shoveling here in southeast lower Michigan, but we're watching this system very, very closely. We'll have the very latest throughout the day. I will be doing live reports outside of the office as well. And you'll probably be seeing me outside standing out in the snow, which is normal to do a live report, and I'll be doing live reports as well too. So a lot happening here right now, but it is quiet in Metro Detroit right now. But it won't be once we get through the afternoon into the evening hours. Things are going to get wild and crazy around here. So thank you, Mr. Cameraman, for bringing that up a little bit. So anyway, just stay tuned with us. We'll have the very latest throughout the day. You will be able to catch me. I'll have the updates on Facebook, Twitter, Google, but not Instagram. Just so you know that there's only a couple of sites that normally get the updates, but mostly you'll catch it on Twitter and Google and sometimes on Facebook. But on Facebook, it varies because I seem to be getting the most views from other sites, but I'm not quite sure. But we will post it on Facebook as well, just to keep everyone up to date. So that covers this part of our newscast, and I will see you guys when this storm begins. So I will continue to track the storm, and I'll have more up-to-date information when I receive it. And like I said, you'll be able to catch me on Twitter most of the day, because once this thing gets started, we'll be getting reports and everything. We're getting all the advisories and all that stuff right now. All that's happening right now. So once the storm gets going here, I will be on a roll, and I'll have up-to-date information on Twitter for you. So I'll see you guys back here at noon with another update on our continuing forecast with this winter snow rain mix type of thing. So it looks like winter is going to return once again for a spring treat, and then we'll talk about if we're going to recover from winter and go back into spring. We'll talk more about that later on this afternoon. What a very interesting forecast we've had so far. We'll see you guys this afternoon at 12:30, 1 o'clock. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. We'll see you then.